You're either going to come to a settlement or you're going to end up in trial. There is no other choice. Years ago, I used to have people that would come in for consultations, and I would talk to them, and I would say, well, if you get in this situation and you're able to settle, and they'd say, oh, no, there's no way we're going to settle our case. I'd say, okay, well, then when you end up in trial, and they're like, no, I don't want to go to trial. Well, the sad news is those are the only two choices. You're either going to settle your case or you're going to end up in trial. You can settle your case through a number of different mechanisms. You can have what we call a kitchen table divorce, where it's simply the husband and wife sitting down and agreeing to pretty much all of the terms of the divorce. You can have a negotiated divorce where both sides have an attorney and the attorneys negotiate back and forth. Sometimes they trade decrees back and forth. We'll talk about that later. Sometimes they don't. You can have a mediation. You can have a collaborative divorce. There are some other forms of ADR, what we call alternative dispute resolution, that can be used, and those can end up in a settlement of the case. You can just settle at the last minute right before you go to trial. But at the end of the day, it is one of two results. You either settle your case, meaning everybody agrees that they're going to sign off on an agreed decree of divorce, or you end up in trial. Those are the only two choices. So one of the things that helps answer is this. It's not helping a friend of yours that's going through a divorce to tell them just get it over with if they tell you that the other side will not agree.